Okay, good morning, dear students. Welcome to this chemistry digital class. Dear student, as you know that day for yesterday, I have taken your class test, that is class test number 4 on 16th June 2021. As some of the students, they were asking that there was some doubt related to this numerical, two numericals. So today I am going to take this session. Hope so you will understand. So let us see. The question number 1, that was a voltage cell is set up at 298 Kelvin with the following half cell. The cell is that Ag positive have 0.001 mole convert into Ag, and copper 2 positive with concentration 0.10 mole convert into copper. Whereas the E0 cell is 0.46 voltage. So now let us start. First we have to write. So let's do the solution. So first we need to write the cell reaction in which copper solid will change into copper 2 positive, will take 0.10 mole, and salt bridge, whereas Ag 0.001 mole convert into Ag solid. Okay, if we will write cell reaction of this, so you know very well, in cell reaction copper solid plus 2 silver ions aqueous will convert into copper 2 positive ion aqueous plus 2 silver solid. So if you need to see here what will happen, you know very well, from here copper will convert into copper 2 positive by gaining 2 electron. There is gain of 2 electron. It is losing of 2 electron. Let me correct it. There is this 2 silver ion will become into 2 Ag. So there is gain of 2 electron. Gain of 2 electron is called reduction. Whereas in this case, there is a loss of 2 electron, that is called oxidation. So when we know the reduction and oxidation, then when you know the oxidation and reduction, then we need to use the formula. The formula is E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 0.059 upon 2, because 2 cell is there, 2 electrons are transferring, into copper 2 positive oxidation upon silver positive twice a time. Now when we will add the formula, we know very well E cell is equal to E0 cell is already given there. E0 cell is equal to 0.46 volt is given. We will add this formula here, 0.46 volt minus 0.059 upon 2 log the value of copper is 0.10 upon value of silver is 0.001 2 time. So we need to calculate it. We can write it into 10 raised power minus 1. As you know that there is, after decimal there is 1. So there is no value of this 0. So it becomes 1 into 10. Whereas here we will write 10 raised to power minus 3, because after decimal 1, 2, 3 digit is there twice. So it will become E cell is equal to E 0.46 volt minus, when we will calculate this, it will become 0.0295. We will write as 0.0295. Okay, into log, then the value will convert 10 raised to power minus 1 plus 3 to the 3 to the 6. 6. The value final, it will become E cell is equal to 0.46 volt minus 0.0295 into log. Now 10 raised power 5 is there. It will become ultimately 5 log 10. So 5 log 10. Log 10 is equal to 1. It will become is equal to 5. So now we will write E cell is equal to 0.546 volt minus 0.0295 into 5. And E cell is equal to 0.46 volt minus 0.15, because this multiply this is 0.15 and it is becoming ultimately E cell is equal to 0.31 volt. So this is the answer of this question. So I hope you understood. Now this is the second question, dear student, which has asked, that is calculate the equilibrium constant of this reaction in which copper is converted into copper to positive and 2 silver is to silver. So everything is same, only the formula is different. So let us start the solution. Now you need to focus that what is asked, we have asked equilibrium constant. So what is the formula of equilibrium constant? Equilibrium constant, we know that E naught cell, because E cell is 0 here, at equilibrium constant you know very well E cell is equal to 0. So E naught cell is equal to minus, in place of minus now it will come 0.059 upon, there are two number of electron, in place of log QC we will write log KC. Okay, now we will take it this side, everything we will convert because we are finding log KC. So log KC become 2 E naught cell because it will go here when this will go this side. E naught cell upon 0.059, when we will put the value of E naught cell is equal to 0.46 volt. Log KC is equal to 2 into 0.46 volt upon 0.059. When we will calculate, it will become 15.6. So KC is equal to, now KC is equal to log anti-log, it will become anti-log 15.6. And already I have calculated anti-log 15.6. We need to see before decimal there is 15. So we can write it 10 raised to power 15 multiply. Now we need to see log anti-log 6. So anti-log 6, how to check? In front of 60, below 0, the value is 392. But when we know before decimal there are 2 digit, 1 and 5 is 2 digit, 1 and 5, how many digits are there? 2 digit. That we will do minus 1. It will become 1 after 1 decimal. So the value become KC is equal to 3.92 into 10 raised to power 15. So this is the answer. Okay, so this was this much easy it was. So I hope now you understood both the numericals. Now do practice, and you can feel free to ask me again whether any doubt is there. So thank you very much, and keep practicing these numerical and keep enjoying digital classes. Thank you.